Hey YouTube family, what's up? If you are new here, my name is Sonu and this video is all about 30 days YouTube Shorts challenge. Today I'm super excited to share the amazing journey we have had so far, including views, subscribers and earnings. So let's get started. Let's start from the beginning. I recently joined a Liam James K community called Loaded Lab, in which I got to know about 30 days YouTube Shorts challenge. So I thought I must enroll in it as it will help me to grow on YouTube. On 8th May, I started this challenge. When I started this challenge, there were basically 3 problems. First problem was what topics I should make videos about. Second problem was how to edit videos without wasting too much time. Third problem was when and how to upload the video. So let's see all these problems one by one. So for this, as you all know, I took help from ChatGPT, asked ChatGPT about 30 videos topic, and guess what? I didn't like it. So I used vidIQ for that and wrote 30 different YouTube Shorts ideas with the help of vidIQ. First problem solved. Now let's go to second problem. So for this problem, I chose CapCut. It's literally a great free video editing software which is available on this planet. And its user interface is also very beginner friendly, but there was a problem. In my country, CapCut is banned. So for this problem, I used Surfshark. With Surfshark, I used CapCut without any problem. And to be honest, Surfshark is the best and cheapest. Want to get 83% off and 3 months free? Check the link in the description. So now the editing problem was solved by CapCut and Surfshark. Now let's move to third problem. So for this problem, I took help from YouTube itself. In YouTube Studio, there is a section which tells you about when your viewers are on YouTube. So I took help from that and accordingly started posting YouTube Shorts. All 3 problems are solved. I'm genius, right? Now let's see how this challenge is going on. At starting, I was uploading videos from my phone and doing basic video editing with the help of CapCut. And in my first YouTube Shorts video, I got 159 views, which was not too bad actually. Next day, I made another YouTube short and I got 354 views on that particular short, which was nice. But after that day, I was getting like 30, 40, 100, 150 views only. So I just went to YouTube and there just searched for how to get more views on YouTube Shorts or something like that. And there I just watched all the videos which are available on YouTube. Not all, but many of them. And from there I got 2 advices. First one was that I must do awesome video editing to create hooks. Let me show you something. Come. And second one was that I must upload my videos from my desktop or laptop because from there I can use tags and description in a great manner. Let me tell you a secret. I followed those advices. After following those advices, I made an awesome video related to, I don't know, and uploaded it from my laptop and added beautiful description and tags with the help of vidIQ. And guess what? I got 778 views on that video. So those 2 advices worked, maybe. After that, almost my every shorts were getting like 500 views, more than 500 views. As you all know, happiness doesn't last forever. From last 3 to 4 days, I'm getting like 100 views, 20 views, 30 views, 38 views, something like that. I don't know why. If anyone of you know what I'm doing wrong, or can give me an advice, then please comment down. Now let's see how much views, subscribers and revenue we have generated till now. Here you can see that I got 4.9k views, 278 likes and 15 subscribers as of now and made woofing of $0.07. I know it's not too much, but this is what it is. Hey guys, this is a quick update, and here you can see that I got my first 1000+ views. I got total of 1.7k views and 1 subscriber, and my total estimated revenue from this particular sort is $0.09. This is our latest analytics, and here you can see that I got 6.7k views, 346 likes, and 16 subscribers. So total revenue we have generated till now is $0.17. That video which got 1000+ views got me this $0.09. So yeah, this is a quick update. Hopefully we will get more views and revenue with the help of this particular challenge. There are still few days left, so let's see what happens. So let's end this part here only. See you in the next part of it after 30 days. Till then, subscribe.